Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to create a blogger account. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, you open your Google browser and here you search blogger. So when you search blogger.com, create a unique and beautiful blog easily. This website will appear in front of you and here you click the first one. Here you got the option of sign in. Click on sign in. Here you select your account. Here you enter your password. Here you enter your title. Like I enter my title company advertisement, and then I just scroll down, then click on next. Here you enter your URL. I can enter my URL company advertisement website. Click on next. Here you enter your display name. I enter my display name Topic Techland, and then I click on finish. So as you see here guys that my setup was in processing, so we just waited for a few seconds. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, as you see here that my account has been created. So guys, this is a very easy method to create a blogger account. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please share it with your friend and please subscribe my YouTube channel Topic Techline. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye.